Welcome to episode 7 of Discover the Corridor series. I'm Tina Grange with the Carbon County Office of Tourism, and today I'm joined by CJ, Tay, and Scotty as we head to another exciting stop in Price, Utah, the Uptown Steakhouse located inside the SureStay Best Western. In this episode, we'll dive into the hot stone cooking experience, explore the mouth-watering menu, and chat with the friendly team that makes this place a local favorite. Whether you're a steak enthusiast or just looking for something new, Uptown Steakhouse offers an unforgettable dining experience in the heart of the Carbon Corridor. So bring your appetite and join us as we discover the sizzling flavors and hospitality that make Uptown Steakhouse a must-visit in Price. Hey everyone, we're here with Discover the Corridor series and we're doing episode 7 today. I'm being joined by my friends at AJB Broadcasting. We also like to welcome Jessica and Andrew with the SureStay Plus by Best Western. If you look above, we're going to be checking out Uptown Steakhouse and learn all about hot stone cooking. So follow us, let's get some grub. Awesome. How hot do the stones get?
They get to about 600, 700 degrees, so very hot. Yes.
Well, I'm excited. Don't touch.
Yes.
Don't touch. Well, I'm excited to do this. I think it's a great experience for anybody visiting the area to just have a different kind of dining experience.
Rhiannon, tell us why you guys decided on hot stone cooking here at the Uptown Steakhouse.
Well, for smaller towns like Price and like Emory and such, it was nicer to bring up north, like northern Utah experiences down here, because it's kind of harder like during the winter time getting through that canyon, and so the weather, just not always having that traveling. It's nice to have up north experiences here in this area. For the most part.
A small town.
Yeah, and it's an exciting way to cook your food.
All right, Rhiannon. Here we are.
Yes.
The most beautiful piece of meat. This is amazing. Before I get started, kind of give me some pointers.
So with this, depending on how rare you like it, it is about 2 to 3 minutes on each side, so be advised of that, and then so on and so forth, depending on how rare and such. We do recommend a little bit of salt, not a lot, to help it not stick, and then also to get that flavor explosion, just with the coarse rock salt.
Flavor explosion. I'm excited. Okay, well, I'm going for it, guys.
There you go.
So.
There you go, Tina.
This is awesome. A guy can cook 2 at a time.
Yeah, you can cook honestly almost the whole 10 ounces on it.
And it really gets
Oh, I forgot the salt. So what do you think, guys? How was dinner?
Delicious.
so good.
Well, remember to bring your family and your friends because that was an amazing experience. We're telling you, you got to come and do the hot stone, try the burgers, the tacos, the salmon, all of it. Oh, and don't forget, we might have had a little bit of cheesecake. But anyway, we're not done because we are at the SureStay Plus by Best Western. So the party doesn't stop here, guys. We are headed over to Toby's Bar and Grill, so follow us. Hey, Bree. Thanks so much for having us. We're here at Toby's Bar and Grill, and we understand this is where the party's at.
This is where the party's at. Today's Monday. We're having a pretty chill afternoon here, but you can see that we're already picking up and people are choosing to eat their lunch and dinner.
There's always something going on too. Like you guys have like music, karaoke, we have the pool tables here.
That's right. So our pool tables are always in good condition. We take it pretty seriously. So we've got the extra pool tables so we could have 4 leagues running out of Toby's.
Well, and because of all the fun things that you do have, like the pool tables, music, other things going on, you don't have to drink alcohol because you make mocktails too, right?
Yeah, so besides having Coke products and all the basic stuff like that, we do virgin everything. You can get a Moscow Mule with minus the alcohol, margarita minus the alcohol, and then we do a few other special drinks that we don't even make with alcohol. So we do like a strawberry Sprite, or you can have a Sprite anyway. We do mango, blueberry, raspberry.
So Elizabeth is gonna make us a drink.
Elizabeth's gonna make us a drink.
Okay, awesome. Thanks, Bree.
Thank you.
Well, that's a wrap, guys, for episode 7 of our Discover the Corridor series. Thank you to our friends from AJB Broadcasting and also our new friends here at the SureStay Plus by Best Western. We had a great time at Uptown Steakhouse. To our friends at Toby's Bar and Grill, thank you for showing us where the party's at. So if somebody was coming into the area and they wanted to experience all that we did today, Jess, what do they need to do?
All you need to do is just give us a call. We'll give you the best rate, the best service possible, 435-637-8880.
Well, you heard it here, guys. Pick up the phone, make sure you call and make a reservation. The next time you're in the area, don't forget to tune your radio stations to KWSA, Jack FM 100.1 and True Country 104.9. I think that's a wrap.
That's a wrap.
We'll be back in 2 weeks.